Alright, today is part one, or I shouldn't say day one of the swap. So if you guys watched the previous video, you know, swapping everything from this car into, hopefully you can see it, the 540. You probably can't.
You can't. That's fine.
We'll show you.
Show you.
Don't worry, look.
Picture right here.
Right here, right? Yes. Good. Probably out of the frame. But that's okay.
We'll put it in the out of the frame too.
That's make it work.
Anyways,
Anyways, so what we're doing today, we're starting to swap, kind of. We're disassembling the car.
what's left of this car.
Yeah.
So we have, if you care to follow me.
Come. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is take out the mufflers, take out the diff, take out the subframe, and the drive shaft, and hopefully the transmission. If we can do all that today, that'd be a big step. And then we can move everything, take out the engine next, get this car out of here and move this in.
This
piece of
look, the
beauty,
birds have already decided to shit on my car.
So if we can do that today, that'd be great. So watch the video, stay tuned.
Alright, well, we stopped at Harbor Freight to buy a Braun LED light bar. So that way we can see what we're working on. So, right now, we're going to work on getting this exhaust off. All the way in the bottom. And so we're going to try to do... I think we're going to try to take it off in one piece, right?
Well, the exhaust?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Shout out to you guys.
Who's you guys?
PB Blaster.
Oh, hell yeah. These exhaust fingers are nice. Oh. Let me get Phillips.
Okay. Oh, fucking shit in my eye. So those are bolts and
Alright guys, so we just got all the bolts off that hold the exhaust up. And I think Devin's about to lower the jack. He's holding it by the center. So let's see if it falls down. No.
okay, hold on.
We're gonna try to wiggle it or something. Let's see.
Something else.
So.
Take that.
There you go.
Some bitch is off now.
Oh shit, alright guys, we got it. Oh shit. Full M5 exhaust coming off.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Okay, hold on. Grab it from the front, or grab it from the back, and I'll grab it from the front.
Okay.
So you decide where you're going.
How are we gonna take it out? There's jacks.
We're just gonna pull it and slide it out. We'll open the garage.
Okay.
You gonna grab it from the front?
I could push it.
Okay.
Alright. Check this shit out.
That has to weigh at least 150 pounds.
Yeah, at least 200, bro, because two of us were struggling. All right, this monstrous exhaust. This is insane.
Look, this is gonna get chopped off.
Uh-huh.
This is gonna get chopped off.
Yeah.
And those mufflers are gonna get chopped off.
Straight plug at this point. It's gonna be a pain to put it back in because it's heavy, but that's why we have a jack.
We'll probably bring yours over too.
We're gonna need two jacks for this job.
You like my lighting position?
That's a good light. Harbor Freight, shout out.
Backlit.
All right, so we're gonna, next up, drive shaft.
Yeah. That didn't take that long. It took
Honestly,
like 10
dude.
minutes. Oh my.
Sucks. Dude, this fucking differential is covered in sludge.
The what?
The differential?
I'm sure the seals are leaking.
Worse than mine.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's leaking. I can see where it's leaking.
It is?
Okay guys, after a lot of struggling, we got the six bolts. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 bolts off, and then we're trying to get the whole diff out. I'm trying to pull it. Pull it.
Holy fuck, that's not light.
Yeah. You pulling it?
Yeah.
Holy. That's not really going anywhere, honestly.
Where's the pen?
Great question. Great question.
Let's just break it.
Should I go pull it? Hit it.
Fucking moved.
Oh,
Okay. I hope I got that on video.
you did?
I think so.
Good shit.
Sorry for the dirty ass lens.
What can we really do?
Okay. Wrap her
Oh
down.
my god, look at all the grease.
Let's not talk about the.
No, that's good. Alright guys, we got the drive shaft and we got the exhaust out. And then that's about it, honestly. Thanks for watching the fucking video.
That was 1 hour's. How long? When did we start?
Hour and a half. I'll say hour and a half because we took the stock Harbor Freight.
7 something. It is 8:42.
Hour and a half. We'll just say hour and a half. Hour and a half. Okay, we'll say an hour just to sound cool. Hour and a half, and we had the exhaust, drive shaft, and the axle bolts. Now that's the end of this video. Next video, we're gonna take out the diff and the tranny.
Yeah, I'm
So
done for
stay tuned for that. Peace.
Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.